welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Ash Takeoff, and please feel free to go ahead and subscribe to my channel before we get into this video to take off with me, because we're having these easy relatable videos and content, and I would love for you to join the fam and come along with me on this journey. So this wig is from Unice, y'all. It came pre-cut, the knots are bleached, and it came with this goodie bag. So look at this. I know y'all can tell that the knots are bleached and it's lightly plucked, so this is gonna be one of those very easy and quick installs. The only thing that I do recommend is to always go in with your adjustable strap, which is right here. That's what I'm going to be doing, and to tint the lace. This is how the wig looks before I went in and added my foundation shade. If you are of a lighter skin tone, you can get away with not having to tint your lace sometimes, but for me, I am going to go ahead and go in with that Ruby Kisses, and y'all watch the magic happens. That's all I did to this wig. We are going to be styling it with some wand curls and with another cute style at the end of the video, so please stay tuned for that. But this is the point in the video where I'm going to go and let you guys chill out and get into this hair from Unice on Amazon store. All the information will be down below, so shout out to y'all. The quality and texture is so perfect. It's giving blowout baddie. It does hold a very nice straight texture if you wanted to straighten it, but it can hold curls as well. So please stay tuned for the rest of the video to see me style it, and that's just a link check for y'all. So pretty. This 24 inches is giving very much longer than that on me. And again, please keep watching to see me style this hair 2 different ways, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.